Hey YouTubers, welcome to Blue Collection. Today I'm going to show you the Smurfs in Blu-ray Steelbook import from Canada. Here we have 3-disc combo Blu-ray of the film, DVD of the film, and another DVD with the short A Christmas Carol. So without further ado, let's open this case so I can show you the artwork inside and the discs. So here's just the usual flyer. Here we have the Christmas Carol. It's a DVD. Really nice artwork. So this is the front. This is the back. Let's remove this little glues here. Okay, and inside this is the DVD and this is the Blu-ray. Just a flyer talking about the Sony tablets and other releases from Sony. So let's take a look at the artwork here. So once again, this is the DVD of the film, region 1, and this one is the Blu-ray, region 3. The cover is very glossy and colorful. And indeed, this is a steelbook, not one of those collectible metal cases. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more Blu-ray updates every week right here at Blue Collection. Thanks again and see you next time.